Two horizontal metal plates have an electric field of that downward between them. What is the potential across the plates? Which one is the negative one? Okay, so these are horizontal plates. Separated by 10.2 centimeters. So delta R is 0.102 meters. And the electric field is downward. 2450 volts per meter. What is the potential across the plates, and which plate is the negative one? Okay, well, let me just say that if the electric field is down, then the top plate's going to be positive, because remember, the electric field is the direction that positive charge would want to move. And if you had a positive charge here, if the electric field is downward, then that means there must be positive charge above it, negative charge below it. Let's see if we can get that, though, from the vectors, okay? So let's go in our traverse, let's go upward. Okay, so our delta R will go this way. So E is equal to opposite of delta V over delta R, right? Okay, but now we're solving for delta V. So that's just going to be delta V is going to be the opposite of E times delta R. Okay, here we go. So here we are in here. The up direction is positive, down is negative. I'm not talking about the charge, I'm just talking about absolute direction here. Okay, so this is going to be the opposite of negative 2450. Okay, and the reason that it's negative is that the electric field is downward, right? Okay, times positive 0.102 meters. Okay, because we went up 0.102 meters, right? I started here, I went there. So our change in voltage, if I go from here to here, is going to be a positive change. Let's go 2450 times 0.102. It's 249, positive 249.9 volts, or about 250 decimal point volts. Now, keep in mind, I started here and I went there, okay? So if I going to the top plate changes the voltage by a positive amount, then the top plate is positive and the bottom plate is negative, okay? Honestly, I don't do these problems that way, but this vector stuff does work. This does work. I just draw a picture, right? If it's a downward electric field, then there's positive on the top, negative on the bottom. That's easy. I think that's easy, but this also works. So some people like this, some people like that. Some people say tomato, some people say tomato.